Looking for the perfect electric dryer for your home, apartment, or RV? Today we're breaking down the top models, ranked from the weakest to the absolute best, so you can make the smartest choice without wasting time or money. Let's kick things off with our number 5 pick, the ROVSUN 5.5 pound portable electric dryer. If you're living in a really tight space or just need a super affordable solution for small laundry loads, this little guy might seem like a decent place to start. It's lightweight, compact, and can be wall mounted, which definitely saves space. It heats up to 140 degrees, dries clothes quietly at about 65 decibels, and gives you the flexibility to set it on a countertop, floor, or mount it on the wall. It's great for super compact living situations and works off a regular outlet, so no special wiring needed. But let's be honest, this model comes with some clear drawbacks. It has a tiny 1.5 cubic foot drum, and even though it claims to be 850 watts, drying a load can take up to 3 hours. Plus, you'll need to get your own vent hose, and some users have had it trigger smoke alarms due to overheating. So who should actually consider this one? If you're on a tight budget and need a no-frills backup or something for the absolute smallest space possible, maybe a dorm or camper, this will do. Otherwise, you'll want to keep watching. And remember, links to all the products at the best prices are in the description below. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Costway 10-pound capacity portable dryer. It's pretty similar in size and power to the ROVSUN, but this one has a bit more polish in terms of features and convenience. It's got multiple drying modes like cool, warm, hot, and anti-wrinkle, giving you a bit more flexibility depending on your fabric. It's also a really quiet operator, perfect for small apartments where noise can be an issue. Best of all, it doesn't require an external vent, so you can set it up pretty much anywhere. Now for the flip side, this dryer struggles a bit with heat consistency. You might find it takes a while to fully dry a load, especially if you're dealing with heavier fabrics like towels or jeans. Also, some units seem to get mislabeled as 5.5 pounds instead of 10, which can be confusing. Bottom line, if you want something affordable with a few extra features and you're okay with slower drying times, the Costway is a small but functional step up from the ROVSUN. And hey, if you're getting value out of this breakdown so far, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Next up at number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER compact dryer. While it shares the same 850 watt motor and capacity as the last two, this one stands out thanks to smart features like a moisture sensor and multiple precise drying programs. You get cycles like high temp, air dry, anti-wrinkle, and more. It's also super quiet and user-friendly, with a clean digital display and stainless steel drum for added durability. It's a well-rounded package for a compact dryer, but even with the added features, it's still suffers from long drying times and can only handle small loads. And you'll need to purchase the vent hose separately, which is a bit of a letdown. That said, if you want something more intuitive and tech-friendly without breaking the bank, this one offers a great balance between function and affordability. Sliding into our number 2 spot is the Euhomy 3.5 cubic foot dryer, and this one is where we start seeing a major bump in both performance and capacity. It delivers 1,500 watts of power, more than enough to handle full loads in a fraction of the time. It comes with multiple drying modes, like intelligent, strong, air dry, and time, so you can dial in exactly what you need, and the stainless steel drum adds durability without adding noise. Now it's bigger than your average portable dryer, so if you're working with limited space, that might be a challenge. It also requires external venting, and some users have noted that it can get a bit loud under heavy use. Still, for anyone needing something powerful, efficient, and still small enough to not be a full-size beast, this is a fantastic mid-range option. Finally, taking our number 1 spot is the Kenmore 8 cubic foot front load electric dryer. This one's not portable, but if you've got the space and the 240 volt connection, this is the best of the best. It's got a huge capacity that can handle bulky comforters, towels, and large loads with ease. The steam refresh feature cuts down on wrinkles in just 15 minutes, and the sanitize mode is great for items you can't easily wash. You've also got smart sensors, energy saving features, and an LED control panel that makes makes everything easy to use. On the downside, it's definitely heavy, not cheap, and needs a dedicated 240-volt outlet. But in return, you get unmatched power, performance, and drying precision. If you want a premium experience and have the room and budget for it, the Kenmore is hands down the one to beat. Ready to upgrade your laundry setup? Check out the links in the description for the best deals on all the dryers we covered today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense real-world product reviews.